Your healthcare provider has prescribed the Flexitouch Plus system as part of your medical care. The Flexitouch Plus system is an advanced pneumatic compression device for at-home treatment of lymphedema, chronic edema, and chronic wounds. When used as prescribed, pneumatic compression can help you manage your condition, improve your health, and allow you to enjoy a better quality of life. The Flexitouch Plus system consists of the following components: a Flexitouch Plus controller unit, applicable garments and accessories to treat your condition, a bilateral adapter if you are prescribed bilateral lower extremity therapy, a power adapter, a user guide and instructional DVD, a prescribed treatment card, and a Flexitouch Plus welcome packet containing important documents. Each garment contains air chambers connected to the programmable controller unit. When activated, these chambers sequentially inflate and deflate, creating gentle waves of pressure. This helps move lymphatic fluid from the impaired areas toward healthy regions of the body, where the fluid can be absorbed and processed naturally. Inflation lasts just a few seconds per chamber. Only one chamber is fully inflated at any one point in time. In this section, you will learn how to set up the controller unit and select your prescribed treatment settings. To set up your controller unit, place it on a sturdy, flat surface near an electrical outlet. Plug the adapter into the wall outlet. A green light will illuminate on the power cord to confirm the outlet is supplying sufficient power. Then, attach the power adapter to the back of the controller unit. Turn the controller unit on by pressing the power button. When you turn on the Flexitouch Plus controller unit, it will automatically display the home screen. On the home screen, your prescribed treatment program will be saved as the first preset and will be highlighted in blue when the controller unit is turned on. In many situations, you will not need to modify your preset treatment programs unless instructed by your healthcare provider. The controller unit can store up to 3 treatment programs and will automatically recall and highlight the last treatment program performed. Highlight the treatment program you wish to perform and press the Enter button to perform the treatment. To select a new treatment, press the down arrow button on the home screen until the Choose a New Treatment option is highlighted in blue. Once highlighted, press the Enter button. To return back to a previous screen, press the back arrow button. Using the up and down arrow button and by pressing the Enter button when the appropriate option is highlighted in blue, complete the following. Select the appropriate treatment region. Select the appropriate body treatments. Select the appropriate treatment location. Select the prescribed treatment pressure. The controller unit should be set to the normal setting unless your healthcare provider has instructed you to use a different pressure. If you have been instructed to select a lower pressure, use the arrow button to select the decreased pressure. If you've been instructed to select a higher pressure, use the arrow button to select increased pressure. Select the number of treatment cycles. The controller unit should be set to 1 cycle unless your healthcare provider has instructed you to run additional cycles. 3 cycles is the maximum number of cycles that can be run consecutively. If you would like to run 2 programs consecutively, press the down arrow button until the Add Another Treatment option is highlighted in blue on the screen. Once highlighted, press the Enter button and complete the same sequence for the next treatment program. If you do not wish to run a second program, select Done with Setup when the program selections are complete. Select a preset to save the new treatment program. If the 3 preset options are full, you may override an existing preset by pressing the arrow button until the treatment you would like to override is highlighted in blue. If you are conducting bilateral therapy, you will have received a bilateral adapter that connects to the controller unit. The adapter must be connected to the controller unit prior to connecting your garments. To connect the adapter, position it so the paddles on both sides are perpendicular to the adapter and the ports on the back of the adapter align with the ports on the front of the controller unit. You will hear 2 clicks which confirm the ports have been properly aligned and connected. Once the adapter has been properly connected, move the paddles on both sides down so they are positioned in the locked position. You should not be able to remove the bilateral adapter from the controller unit without unlocking it once it has been properly locked. To remove the bilateral adapter, move the paddles on both sides all the way up to the unlocked position. With the paddles unlocked, pull the bilateral adapter away from the face of the controller unit to remove it. To connect the garments to the controller unit, position the harness connector with the number latch facing up. Latches are numbered 1 through 4. These match the controller unit connectors, which are also numbered 1 through 4. Gently insert the numbered latch into the correct controller unit port. Place your thumb on the top ridges and your index finger on the bottom ridges. Gently push the 2 blue latches forward into the controller unit. The blue latches are the only parts that will move. This action locks the latches into the ports. When you hear 2 clicks, one for the top latch and one for the bottom latch, you'll know that both latches are properly connected. Make sure that all connectors are secure, or your garments may not inflate properly. You may have to hold the backside or top of the controller unit with your free hand to stabilize it during this process. You are now ready to apply your garment set as the final step before treatment can be delivered.